These potatoes are ready to go on the grill. They've been washed and holes poked in the skin with a fork. Potatoes are going on the grill for a half hour to 45 minutes or until they are cooked through. Let's see if the potatoes are ready to come off the grill. A little bit longer.
Alright, here's the star of our show. Big potato. Put a little bit of butter in there. This is 2 pieces of thyme. My daughter loves that. Salt, pepper. Do it well. Potatoes will take them. A little bit of chives. This is cotijo cheese. Last but definitely not least, a little bit of New Mexico green chili. Now it's perfect. I'll put links down below about the cotijo. And this went well with fajitas, and also put a link down below also on that.